there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. I am so hungry. I have here a double baked burrito. Wow! Be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Come on, love it. Oh, love it. Open your mouth, come on. Yumminess. I asked for extra veggies on it. It's for you. And I also have here a spaghetti. Cheesy. And to make my snacks complete, I have here, oh my gosh, the brand Red Tea. Oh my god, oh my god. Pour it out. Wow, love it, love it. This one is extra ice. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that has surpassed. Shout out to each every one of you, okay? Before I continue my upload, I have to take a quick break first, okay? So come on. Love it, love it. I supposed to watch a movie, but time didn't permit me because actually I can make it. But the thing is, some of my clients wasn't able yet to, didn't give yet my, didn't, some of my clients didn't, oh sorry, some of my clients didn't give yet their payments. That's why I had to wait for them, okay? Doesn't have yet the payment, some of my clients, so I should have to wait for them. For you. The reboot of I Know What You Did Last Summer that I supposed to watch. Shout out to my mother-in-law called Fea Bordo and Helen Careto. To all my silent subscribers, to all my Facebook viewers, hi. Okay. Ah! Oh gosh. Sorry. Anyway, and shout out to Ate Tabita. Ate Tabita, hi. I hope you are watching right now. This is for you, Ate Tabita. My spaghetti is still the best pasta in the whole damn world. Shout out to each every one of you. But for now, one last.